fun, side, fun,
side, side,
fun, go, long, short, with, up, down, fast, trade, cycle, operating, logic, cycle, calculating,
say fun,
the flow moves, we execute, the flow moves, we execute, short, long, up, down, side, fun. Cycle, precision, trade, win, cycle, fast, now, cycle. Side, fun, side, fun,
side, side,
fun, go, long, short, with, up, down, fast, trade, cycle, operating, logic, cycle, calculating,
say fun,
the flow moves, we execute, the flow moves, we execute, short, long, up, down, side, fun. fast. Now, say go.
Hello.
Hey,
Welcome.
how's it going?
It's good. It's like everything is kind of like blurry at the moment. Like people have doubts on all the investment, I think.
Right, in terms of the market.
Yeah.
It's crazy times right now.
Yeah,
You
it's
know,
kind of crazy.
A lot of it has
Yeah.
to do with the fact that, the Middle East tension is still very much there, and the ceasefire negotiation hasn't moved further. And so markets are kind of
Yeah.
just risk off right now. So the NASDAQ, was pulling back. Gold is not, going any higher from yesterday, and just everything's a little red.
Yeah.
I'm
So
gonna
yeah,
share my
the
screen.
thing
Go ahead.
yeah. The thing for me is like there is no specific direction. It's like everything is kind of in the middle. Like there is some peace talk, but there is no definite answer. There is some progress, but there is also backlash. Like it's kind of like foggy. No one knows what's going to happen, and it's like I was also taking financial news to see what's
Right.
happening. So
Yep.
yeah.
Marcus did not like this, and he loves tweeting right when the market's open, just to tank it. Oh, Trump.
Yeah, there is no talk scheduled with Iran, and then like everything goes down. Yes.
Yep. Let's see. What could be a good
But
trade today?
I do think gold has still potential to go up.
Yeah.
Because we talked about this multiple times. Usually what happens is like when there is turmoil, there is gold going up. But right now, for last few months, it has not seen. But recently, it has been like more reactive to bad news, kind of. So that's my kind of like
Right.
all take. So whenever there is like issues and stuff, and then slowly gold is kind of like going up, because another thing that we mentioned before that was central banks have been starting to buy gold again, because once it has like come down a little bit, that wedge, it just broke that, and it still has good potential to go up. Potentially
Definitely.
not that
And I think part of the reason
higher as
why we are. Oh, what was that?
okay. I don't think gold will again go much higher as the all-time high. As of now, it won't be that
Right,
very
not
good rally that before. Yeah, but it can go a little bit more higher, and then it can come back down, and then we don't know what will happen after that.
Let's see.
That's
how many
my
days
kind
it's
of
been
intuition.
consolidating?
What was your question?
Go.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's been consolidating for about 5 days.
Yeah,
So
it has been.
the more consolidation we see, the tighter it gets. This little section, it's its little own wedge, and it can also break out or just come back and retest the lower
Down,
lows
yeah.
here, which is what
Yeah.
I'm personally hoping for. Or I really wanted to go up to 4,500 because it's just so close. We're just a couple percentages away, so I can short
Yeah.
the hell out of it from there. Like that's really the level that I'm looking at to get kind of greedy on my shorts. But part of the reason why we're finally seeing this rotation into gold, which we haven't seen earlier this year when the war started, is because the 10-year yield and the 30-year yield has also gone up. And so people
Yeah.
are taking their money out, putting into other assets that would just
Mm.
store value a little bit better. Are we seeing the same thing with Bitcoin? We are seeing a little pop on Bitcoin right now. Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy yet.
Well,
Yeah, that's one point.
Right.
Like for gold itself, there is no yield. So if you're putting in, like, if it stores, it doesn't give you extra money. So that's one incentive for bonds. Yeah. So yeah,
So it looks like
there is a kind
Bitcoin,
of breakout.
it's about to. So if it does break to the upside, Bitcoin could easily retest the weekly EMA and the daily high volume node. So this is where a lot of buyers, bought Bitcoin. This is a
Mm.
fair value here. You're at 71,000 there. If it hold up, what do you think? Is that what you're seeing on the charts too?
Yeah. Some part of
Then
what
is
you
you-
said, like, I was
that-
not able to hear.
Uh,
Give me a second. Your voice was breaking down. Can you hear me? Yeah. So yeah. So yeah, I also think we have a small technical issue, I think. But yeah, for BTC, it's still at 64 100s, and yeah, there is a potential downside to this because, like, there is no momentum at the moment, like at the time, to push the BTC further. There is, like, consumer wise, project wise, and everything, it's not that great. So yeah, so basically it is happening something like I think it can go further down. So yeah, if you see the whole 1 month or so, like, it has been like going up from going up to 6100 to 6400 and coming back down to 61 and then going up again. So it has been this, like, kind of up and down motion for, like, last few months, I would say. Like, no major changes. So even now there is no definite change, but yeah. So I think I let me see if I can share the screen. Give me a moment. Okay, share screen. I think it's just not viewable right now. Sorry for that. Yeah. We do have 2 trades. We'll just execute both of them shortly once we solve the technical issue. Okay, by the way, if you are new listening to Trader Fade, this is Trader Fade, and what we do is, like, you can post your trade, and we'll execute that for you. And once you earn some money, we will send that to you. Like, we won't take the profit. So whenever you get the profit, you get to keep it. If you take loss, you don't have to worry about it. So that's basically a Trader Fade. And we do analyze markets here, and almost all the things that is happening inside SAI, we do analyze it. Right now we are having a little bit issue on the technical side, not able to share screen. So you have to bear with me. So we're talking about BTC right now. So a lot of people I know are like trading only two assets, that is BTC and gold. It's kind of makes sense because gold is something that has been giving higher yield for so long, and BTC has a historical background on like giving highest yield, so rewards for your trades. So, and it's kind of like analytical in a sense. Gold has a lot of factors that you can analyze. It depends on like market conditions and everything. It goes against a lot of stuff. And for BTC, okay, yeah, I think I'm able to share the screen. Yeah, the whole idea I was talking about was like, yeah, you can see, close this one. Yeah, it is like crazy. Like it's like going up, down, again down, and then go up, it down, goes, and it's like circulates. It's like being this like for some time, and only this one was a little bit slow from the August, yeah, from this month, but it's also played like it is still going up and down and chasing the liquidation. So let's see liquidations for a moment. I'm going in coin class. You can see liquidation heat map there. So yeah, this is a little bit slow. You can see, yeah, for there is two levels right now which is hot. One is at 64,800 and another is 63,800. So most probably it can go up. Like, this is the most probable direction right now, to 64,800s. So yes, so here we are going up around 64,175. Yeah, here it's, let's see what is the problem. Yeah, 64,200 it's showing up. So yeah, you can see liquidation heat map, and it's most probably going to go up around this place, like around 64,800s in recent like times, because there is momentum and it's like there is higher liquidations there compared to down below. So that's one idea. And right now it's kind of oh, it's 1 hour. Let's go to 5 minutes. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, so basically it's still consolidating in around like 6,400. So as we said, the liquidations are around 6,800, which is let's see, again going back to 1 hour. Yeah, so 6,800 is not that unreachable at this window. So that's what we usually check, where is the liquidations and whether it has been reached. So if it is like 6,500, liquidations are around 6,500, definitely it is going to reach. But right now 6,800 is kind of, yeah, it is going to get, it has to go much higher to get to 6,800. So this is I would say a little bit difficult to reach here. So let's change the model. There are 3 models, if you know, like you can select 1, 2, 3, and it will show different kind of stuff setups. So yeah, there should be more information to make sense of this. Like for example, it can go up to 63,800 to liquidate these levels, but it has been staying for like some time right now. So yeah, I would think yeah, it went to 6,400s before. Yeah, so, and what is expected? FOMC meeting is coming up tomorrow. Minutes, FOMC meeting minutes, and this could impact BTC as well as gold. And yeah, you can see listed updates. It's ETF outflows are there, which is like, you have to watch out for that. Anyway, I was looking at different websites which could we have stop loss van back up. Can you hear me? Or
Yes,
do you still have okay.
All right, I'm all set up, connected again. I don't know what happened. My
Okay.
laptop.
So maybe we can start with the trades.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay, we have two trades. One is from Bilal and one is from Musty. Bilal want to long BTC at market price, and take profit is 6,500.
Okay, give me a second. Let me head over there. Make sure I'm sharing my screen. All right, cool. So over to BTC.
BTC.
He wants to long BTC
Long.
here. He's not going to wait for the
Yes.
breakout. For the breakdown.
I don't know. Like, I think he should have, but yeah.
All right. So what does he want to take profit at?
6,500.
6,500. Wait, that's 6,000. He wants to long.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
He was too long. Yes.
Well, leverage.
Right now it is like 63. Yeah.
All
Leverage
right.
is
So
15.
market order.
4% stop loss. Okay.
Oh wait, why is my stop loss so high? Do you see that?
Yeah.
I put 4% and the
4%
loss
today.
is
121. Why?
isn't it? He's longing, right?
Yes.
Oh, what was that? That was so weird.
Your size is 3,000.
Yeah, 200 times 15x leverage.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
But I think it
that's
looks
fine.
right now. Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. Now it is.
that was a blip.
Yeah, maybe it was from the previous trade or something. Okay,
Or could have
opening the
been because I
trade.
typed. Yeah, I don't know what happened. All right, so we're
okay.
in
You have
market
trade
order.
open.
Now we're down $2. Sadly. Did anyone else have a trade?
Yeah, Musty has a trade. He want to long near. And his entry is at 1.599.
Okay.
So it's a limit order.
$1.59.
Yeah, 1.599. And take profit at 1.660.
Like this.
1.660.
Did I get that right?
Yes. 15x and yes, 4% leverage. I mean stop loss.
Mm-hmm. That's only 10 cents loss. Okay.
Looks
All right.
oh okay.
Oh, what? Did something happen?
No, it's fine. It's fine.
All right. He scared me.
Oh,
Oh,
it's
transaction invalid. Take
invalid
profit or
take profit or stop loss. Why?
possible.
We want to long. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Let me take a screenshot.
Long
just in
limit
case.
order 1.59. Take profit is fine. Stop loss is I'm not sure. Like 4% seems 0.1.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna just take note of that.
0.59.
for the
Okay.
team.
Yeah, I don't think the stop loss is correct because we are opening at 1.59. Even at 4% loss, it's still at 1.59. How is it?
Let's try 6%.
Can you see?
Interesting. 6% is now.
Yeah, can you press the 4% again?
So you're saying the calculations also off.
Okay.
I don't think it's gonna work though, because it didn't work earlier.
Okay. Maybe you can.
6% is a lot
Yeah, even
higher.
at 6%.
Something doesn't seem right. Okay, let's try this.
Okay,
just
let's
get the
go with
loop
5.
up.
Yeah. Okay, so tomorrow we have FOMC minutes,
Waiting to
right? So, what do you think
yes.
can affect? Like, what will be your suggestion to traders who are listening, and what is there to look for?
I think maybe for talks about whether or not there will be a rate hike this year, although they've been saying that there wouldn't. But if there's like any indications of it within the minutes, I think that the markets could temporarily pull back off of that news. That's my speculation. What about you?
So
do you follow the
Fed watch
minutes closely at all?
I'm just looking at what is the probability for right now to see to have a rate hike. So yeah, current rate is 350 and chances are like 65% to stay and just 34% to have a higher interest rate.
Yeah.
So yeah, the 34 is like still low, so it's kind of like it was before around 50%. So the consensus is that it is getting harder to get a rate hike, right? So it will most probably stay. So there won't be much thing happening in the tomorrow's. Like, I don't expect anything much to happen on tomorrow. But yeah, if everything goes expected.
Right. Yeah, I guess we'll find out once the minutes come out. All right, so oil is back up again, 91.
Yeah.
That would have been a nice long.
Well, okay, I have not checked oil for some time right now, but yeah, I was like thinking on like, okay, I was more focused on a little bit on gold because that was a breakout, and I was like thinking, okay, it might go up, but yes, I have to get my focus back to a little bit on oil. It's XBR is at like 91 right now, right? 91.09. So yes, 91. And what do you think is like, what are the chances of getting higher? Of course, everything depends right now on Hormuz situation, but yes, there are two opposing sides. US generally want to dominate, and they want to like have this kind of fear stuff. So that's one. But on the contrary, the other side of this is like everything will go bad. Like the price will increase. Inflation has been under control for like last few weeks or few months, but the debt is rising. It's nearly $39.9 trillion. Like it's like very close to 40, and it's kind of I think it's not just the number. It has a psychological impact. Like we are closing 40 trillion debt, and it is going to highlights. Like it's going to be highlighted in almost all news and everything. So that can have a reaction. So when something that kind of a bad news comes out, they will try to have like, if there is other bad news, if there is war going on, people's thinking will be like, okay, yeah, this is a bad situation. So I do think they will try to hold it until these kind of things settle down. Another thing that I want to look out is the reserves for oil.
Right.
The
it's going
strategic
down
oil reserves. it's almost at the lowest level in the history. This level is very dangerous. It's still not. It doesn't mean that there is no oil in US. It just means that they are utilizing the reserve right now, and possibility of refilling is very low. So if they go in all out war right now, or like if you have a very bad situation, it's going, or the price increases, oil price increases considerably, like go beyond 100 or 120, then it will become more difficult for US, like for the immediate time, like for the short time. So unless they have a contingency plan, or like unless they have like something to counter that, they will try to like not go on offense for too long. There might be some one or two issues, and we could see some ups and downs, but eventually if it goes up, I don't think US want the gas prices to stay high for some time, like more time.
Yeah, at least not until midterms elections are over with.
Yeah, that's all another thing. Yeah, midterm elections are coming up, and it's it will be a bad look.
I mean, even the SPY is down today, so overall the markets are just down. Today would have been a good short day.
Yeah. I was looking at the market, and it was like from the pre-market, it was like going down. Everything was down in the pre-markets. So Nvidia, Intel, everything was like going down, and SPY, QQQ, everything was down. So it just went as expected. Like there is a short downtime, and it's like almost 768 right now.
Or which one? Oh, the S&P. Yeah, 768. I'm trying to see if there's anything that hasn't really pulled back yet that we can jump in onto a short. But it seems like most stocks have already started moving already. Alibaba. No, that's
so
not
is it time for the big short?
I don't think so. Just
okay.
Soon. I think that it's probably gonna have a few days of cooling off, but I think the administration is gonna continue pumping the markets and let it go higher for a little bit. Because if you draw trend lines going further back, and you draw your parallels and you anchor based on the pivot highs, the S&P will look like it can hit 8,100, 8,200. I would have to pull up the S&P instead of the SPY here, but looking at like the Russell, the Nasdaq, and the SPY, like it looks like there's still a little bit more room for it to make its all-time highs, and I can see that happening up until the midterm elections before things kind of start cooling off. So that's in November. But I mean, would it be abnormal to just get a little pullback here? Because it's gone up, come down for a couple days, and go back up.
Yeah, I think there is a potential short there right now, even though it is like down. So unless there is like a big news coming up.
I mean, if you just look at the 5-minute chart for the S&P here, it is below VWAP. So, if I were to take a short intraday, I would wait for it to pop back up.
Into the VWAP.
Come on. All right. I would wait for it to pop up to 769 and just short, VWAP. So we can see if it's going to reclaim. Right now, it's trying to curve up a little bit.
Yes.
So it could curve up. Let's see, the market's been up, open for a little over 30 minutes now. But yeah, this doesn't look good. Okay, it's holding the day low as support. So yeah, actually you could do like a scalp long from here. So it does look like it's curling up a little bit, right? It's starting to print some green bars. So I would mark this as like the day low
Mm.
right? Currently, at least. And then easily what you can do is like draw your trend lines from the day low here up. And as long as price holds above this trend line, you can go long. So say I enter along this trend line here, I would go in at 768 for a long, have my stop loss just right below this day wick here. And if it goes below 767, then my trade is invalidated. So let's watch this candle print and see what happens here. Well, let's move down to a lower time frame. And then if you want the inverse, if you're like, okay, I think it's going to consolidate and the markets are going to rip lower, then you would short along this.
Do you want to go into 1 minute?
Let's see.
Okay. Yeah, it's a bit. Okay, it's coming down.
Doesn't look great. Let's see. So resistance is like right around here.
Because the last week almost touched the line you drawn.
Yes.
And now it is like coming up a little bit, right? So the next 2 to 3 candles could dictate put the position.
I'm trying to pull up my divergences. I have to re-add it. Sometimes the wick will go lower and then I'll reclaim it. So that does happen at times. Let me go ahead and add. Oh no, I didn't.
But if
it
crosses the daily low, then the momentum is changed, right?
Yeah, I would say because it opened, that's the low of the day that it opened. And if it breaks that, you could take a short here and see how it plays out. That's what I would also do.
Yeah, because like right now it is almost at the daily low.
Right. Let's see if it rejects here. Sometimes like once it's like done selling off, there could be a little reversal. Let's see how the higher time frames look a little bit. Actually, what we should do is, zoom out a bit. Clearly, yeah, this is a pretty big pullback on the daily here. It's erased 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of gains. That's pretty substantial. But because it's erased so much, like the next day or even today, it can print. It can still go up, right, a little bit and recover before coming back down.
If you see the previous downs, it has been like for a few days it is going up, and then few days it is going down, and again it has been the trend for like from June, right? So last time when it happened in June, it went to the all-time highs. That high, it just stayed for some days, and then it started coming down, and it came down to 720 around like 70-20s, and then it went up. So do you think that can happen? We can have something
5%, almost 5% move. 4.88. So let's just say from this high to 4.88%. So price can go back to this level here.
740.
If it makes the same amount of, if it makes the same move. So it is definitely possible. But the first level, the next level of support, I would say is like, right around this level here. So we can either short here if you feel comfortable, like wait for it to retrace a little bit, short and ride it down to this area. You can also do that. I think that this is a very reasonable area.
Because for me, because of that downside wick is like, it's a massive one. It's not like a very short one, and the pullback is not that much. So I would say I would go for a short there, like from that position. But it all depends.
As long as you're like, if traders are managing their risk and they're not over leveraged, you can easily use low leverage and ride this short here.
Yeah, I
Let's see
think
what the rate is right
there is
now.
a chance for short. Okay.
Oh, look, 88 cents.
Okay. Yeah, BTC long has been like stable for some, although it's yeah, it could have a breakout, but I don't see anything like momentum wise or like news wise that is going to push BTC until we have like Clarity Act or something. And Clarity Act, if it was passed, then we should have had a good momentum in between the session, but it wasn't. So let's see what will happen in next month, right? So
Yeah,
if it's
right.
passed or not.
The Senate's on recess right now, so
Yeah.
not until mid-September will we know when or if the Clarity Act will be passed. It probably will be.
Yeah, it probably will be. And there was a news on like they want to pass it first, something like that. But it was not passed. Anyways, let's see how it goes. But yeah, apart from that, there is not much good news from the BTC side to push the price up. Michael Saylor was a kind of a factor, but now it is like a negative factor for BTC. It doesn't mean it's bad, but it's like situations, right? So it is supposed to like play out like this. Any investment won't have always it won't go high, right? There will be some setbacks, and then you can consolidate and then it goes higher. So I do think social news also is like something that's very similar. So when you're riding on some news, it can steam, like the steam will go off after some time, and after some time it will come up. So let's see how it goes. And okay, what other stock do you think?
I'm trying to see that. Yeah, the SPY is not really doing much right now. Same with the NASDAQ, it looks like. It's trying to recover a little bit, but it's just, it's definitely going down. So you can short here.
Yeah.
This would be a safe place to short. Let's see, gold. I'm watching gold right now. Yeah, it's definitely a down day today. So
Okay.
I have a short on gold right now. What about you, Ajmal?
Okay. If I'm like, for me, you're going to short the gold?
Oh, I'm already in a short already.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was thinking long in gold. In like not, but not in how to say immediate thing. But I do think coming days it can still have a potential to go up. But one of the factors that affect gold is how gold is utilized, like the demand for gold, apart from ETFs and investment. So one of the demand is like in the industry where they use gold for various purposes, and also another one is ornaments, like you make jewelry and that stuff, right? So the jewelry demand has been dying out, and people have been pivoting. Not just people, like because the demand for gold jewelry was low, the artisans, those people who make these jewelry, has been moving to different things. Like either they go for the plated gold, or they go for like less carat gold. Like instead of 22 carat, you go for like 8 carat, or like you mix other metals into. Yeah. So, but they and the idea is like it's they're not selling it as the gold. Like the whole thing is like the marketing is pivoting. Like instead of marketing the pure 22 karat gold like 916, they are going to market the 8 carat and says that this is a good option. Like you don't have to buy the 22 higher priced one. You can buy the lower priced one. And
do that?
yeah, and because you're just wearing it, right? you're not having it as an for a lot of people, it's not just an investment. It's a side investment, but most of them sees it as like an ornament they want to wear, or they want to keep as jewelry and in a safe deposit box or whatever. So for them, it is kind of appealing. Instead of it sees the same, right? So yeah, there has been a lot of marketing
to me,
in
it's
that
like
regard.
if you're gonna buy gold, why not just buy it so that it can appreciate, and then you can sell it and make money in the long. Okay, looks like gold's having a moment here.
Yeah.
It's making its way up a bit.
So that's also what I said. Like I think it can have a potential upside right now, but not too big. But yeah, it still can go up in few days.
So interestingly, well, I don't know if this is interesting, but over the weekend I went into this jewelry shop, and they actually specialize in taking gold bullion, like pure gold, like 999 ounce gold, and they'll turn it into like really beautiful jewelry. Because normally, like when I buy bullion, I just buy it and I put it in my safe. But now it's like you can actually wear pure gold and then sell it eventually. So I thought that was really cool because, I spend a lot of money just buying jewelry that is, a name brand, but it doesn't necessarily have a ton of gold in it, or it's not entirely pure. Versus now it's like, okay, I'm gonna put my money in a brand that is actually pure gold that I'll appreciate over time. So I really like that concept.
Yeah, there is like few caveats in that concept. Like one of the thing is like you cannot wear pure gold because it's very brittle. It will break off very easily. So what you do
this
is
company
you cannot...
can apparently, because they have this like new technology.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah,
I have to look into that. What is it called? What is it?
Chow Tai Fook.
Oh.
So this is the company that does it.
Tai Fook. Okay.
So like some of the jewelry I was looking at.
Okay.
And they have charms.
Because,
you could bracelets.
Yeah, the whole idea of like 22 karat and 24 karat is like, it's a 999 gold necklace.
Yeah. So they have a technology where the gold is actually, and it's really nice when you see it in person.
Oh yeah, this is good. Like I would buy this, like, because like I was looking to buy gold, physical gold, but I was against like the idea of like diluting it to 24, like 22 karat, like 916. So you're just losing 9%. And the whole point is that when you're going to sell the same gold to that, like you bought a jewelry at 916, and you're going to sell it, they will charge you extra, because they will say, oh yeah, if we are making this back to a bullion, we will have a loss because we are going to evaporate and there is going to be loss. So they will just it is much better to buy this kind of jewelry if it is possible.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh,
so like
really?
right now they have quite a bit of
stuff. I have a lot of questions, but I'll just look at this later.
Yeah, let me know. I spent so many hours on this website after I went to the store, and I'm like, I added a bunch of things in my cart, which I still need to buy.
Yeah,
but they have
nice.
like charms that you can add into bracelets.
Yeah.
These are okay. I'm trying to find something better.
Yeah. So the thing with 999 pure gold is that if you bite into it, like you take gold and you bite with your teeth, you'll make a dent. It's that easy to make dents. So that's why you cannot make a jewelry with 999 gold. So they add silver, copper, and everything to make it 91.9%, 91.6%.
Yeah.
So that's how the jewelry is usually made, but I don't know how this works. So
I'm curious. I'm trying to look it up now.
Yeah.
If my Chow Tai, I couldn't copy. How is their jewelry pure gold?
Okay.
See, ultra pure. Like,
yeah.
Crazy.
They
pioneered the introduction back in 1972. So they've been around for a while.
Yeah. But how? It doesn't say how. Anyways,
how?
Anyways, I'll just look at later. How?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
How do they use 999?
I'm curious. This is important to know.
See?
People can
Yeah.
go and buy from this company.
Oh, they use 3D printing. Really? Produces
Okay,
gold with
5
hydrogen
technology.
strength. 5G? What is 5G? It has chip in it? What is 5? What the?
No idea. Okay, that's interesting because it alters the structural grain of the actual gold without adding.
Okay. Okay. I can think they use electrodeposition. There are multiple methods, so I don't think. I think what Google tells us is like there are multiple ways to make it. It necessarily won't be the same way the Cho Tai Fook, if I'm pronouncing correctly.
Okay, their
they're making
technology is
it.
patented.
Okay. Microscopically clean, unsmudged. Okay, fine. Laser technology to stamp. That's fine.
AI powered design assistant.
What the?
Okay, they're
Oh.
using Microsoft for market
To
data.
scan. Okay.
Yeah.
Why they want to predict market data?
To get an accurate pricing of the value of gold because they have a lot of products that
Okay.
they sell based on the gold's current value.
Hmm.
I need to check it
This
out.
is interesting. Yeah.
There's some really cool stuff. Okay, these are okay, but these are like the more kiddie stuff here.
Yeah.
But they're a legit company. I was really excited to
Yeah.
learn about.
What is
Anyways.
Fedora collection?
Oh, the Rolex collection? They're just an official retailer with Rolex.
Oh, okay.
Ro-
I was
Rolex-
like, oh, they make Rolex with gold. Yeah, maybe there are, but yeah. But yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, I like. Okay, no, I don't really like this collection as much. But yeah, they got some good stuff. It's really legit.
It's really good. It's also like when you're trying to downplay something and you come up with a brand that just makes things luxury, even with like having a patented way to say we are better than, we don't have impurities, even though others have like 9% impurities. Which, even though if it is like gold is going higher, they can benefit. I see that kind of like luxury stuff, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
Because I was over the weekend, I was looking at different jewelry, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna spend like $3,000 on this jewelry, and I go to the store. I'm like, wait, I could buy that amount in gold and have it appreciate. You know, if gold does hit like 10K in like a couple years, that'll be nice. At least my
Yeah.
jewelry will go up in value. So that's the plan. Let's say gold is kind of consolidating in this range here, $4,407 and $4,389. Let's see what happens. But looking at the higher time frame,
This is 7, yeah.
doesn't look. Momentum is going down a bit. Yeah, definitely a temporary pullback. I don't think anything. I wouldn't expect it crazy, like a crazy move in gold right now. But
Yeah.
definitely keep an eye out on
Because
gold.
that move, yeah, because the breakout was like for 1 week, right? Like last week it happened.
Yes.
So this week it's like going to stay a little bit in that range, and then potentially we could see an upside or like downside. Again, there will be like a wedge happening,
Right.
and hopefully it could go up for me, because
I want
largely I think I think of like this when analyzing gold. I look at this chart and everything, but I also look at like external data, something like which market they are buying. So, for example, Shanghai market has been like buying gold like crazy, and because ETFs in China has been buying gold, and Chinese government has been buying gold. That's a big green signal for me. So that's why I said like potentially because Chinese government like central banks have been putting buying hold on gold, but last in July they bought the highest one. So coming to August, they will continue like, because if they see gold going up, they would definitely buy it for it completely going up. Anyways, let's see how it goes. Temporarily it is going down, and it's not just it's just consolidating. Okay, near. So that's a good move from here. Oh, it's a 1 minute. Oh, okay. I thought like.
Yeah, it looked really impressive for a second.
Yeah.
It looks like the Bitcoin order got stopped out.
Oh, okay.
You know what we should start doing is not putting in orders, because we're like, that looks like a bad idea. The Bitcoin was definitely the bad trade. Oh man, it's already
it's
the end
already
of our show. Yeah, time flies.
Okay, so coming back to Sai, do you think any other things you will open in Sai? Maybe Pokemon? Or we do have, because markets are going down, it's like uncertain, and I think Pokemon has been like in the green for some time. It's still going up. Maybe we have to change to 5 minutes. So daily chart. Yes.
Okay.
It's slowly going up.
It's not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
I got out of my Pokemon long a while ago. I don't know where I got it. Oh, okay. So I was here. So if I had stayed in it, I would have been pretty good. Oh my goodness.
Oh, yeah. So for Pokemon, I think it's kind of a slow market. Although there is momentum for the upside. So if you are now not going to like take, if you want less anxiety, you can try red Pokemon. But sometimes there is like big moves, even though it looks like big move, but it's not. But anyways,
gotta wait for the pullback for Pokemon.
I think it will take time because the market itself is like with a lot of people, but it also affects how general market is. Like Pokemon index also depend on people's ability to buy Pokemon or like have extra money to buy stuff, right? So if the market economy is like not good, if inflation is going up and things, they don't have extra money, they are not going to spend it on Pokemon. They'll just save out. So it's also like you have to think in that direction too. Down here.
As long as you kind of they're off of the trend line, I think you might be okay. Like let's just as much.
But it's also respecting that trend line very nicely.
Yeah, it is. It's not too bad. Let me just shift it a little higher. Did I just move this one on accident? I think I did. Oh, I should have used the other trend line. This one I can't move once I draw it. Let's see.
Okay.
Use the ray tool. There you go. Okay, so that means I would move this trend line a little higher. Let's make this blue. And this is when we integrated the data, so that's as much data we have. So at least based on this year, like it's been trending up. So if you want to long Pokemon, you can long Pokemon off of the trend line or around like 38,900 to 39,200. $200.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah,
From
it's
here to here, I think I
Hmm.
was like up $50, or like from wherever I entered, I
Hmm.
was like up $50. So if I had kept it, this would have been like pretty nice.
Yeah, I would
Regret.
say like I'll just go for long, and once I will just wait till it just cross the trend line. If it is going below the trend line, then I just stop. Maybe short it for some time.
Exactly. Awesome. Cool.
But yeah, so if anyone want to trade Pokemon Index, you can do that in Sai. I don't think there is other perpetuals which allows Pokemon Index. So yeah, it's exclusive right now to Sai. So anyway, you can also buy stocks, trade crypto, and we do have a points program coming up. So
Yes.
I recommend everyone to, and it's like it's not like you get points for. Do we get points for like previous participations? So
No,
if I open a trade
unfortunately.
now, I get points later.
Not that I know of.
Okay. So let's wait for the points program.
No, people should continue trading.
Just kidding. Yeah, you can make
Brandon
money.
mentioned that we would retroactively reward people
Okay.
for points.
Mm.
But last I heard, I thought we weren't. So I can double check.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, the thing is, yeah, there is a lot of ways to make money, and right now trading is like perps trading is one of the best way. And hopefully you get to have like everyone get to have a good week, and make some money. And I think we are going to wrap up, right?
Yeah, sounds good. It's late on my end, so it's time for me to go to bed. Bitcoin looks like it just hit 65,000. This could be a good short for Bitcoin, potentially. Because it's been rejecting
But
around the 65 zone.
Bilal's position was stopped out before that.
Yeah. Wasn't he longing though?
Yeah, he was longing.
That's why I was confused. I'm like, why was he longing?
Okay.
Lobbying
See again. Yeah, he was longing at yeah, his take profit was 6,500.
So yeah, 5 minutes ago.
So
Oh wait,
this
he
is
was
fun.
longing. So he would have stayed.
Yeah.
He would have been in the trade still. Huh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna probably pull back a little bit here. Oh, okay. So technically, if it can close a daily outside above this line here, and even another day, then yeah, it's gonna go. It's gonna have a little bit of room to move up. Next level of resistance is about 66,900.
Yeah. And when there was some issues, I was talking about like BTC, there is a liquidation level at 6,800. So there is a potential move to that round, and there is nothing much in between. So yeah. And
I mean,
if it happens, yeah,
Water.
it can hit 68 and it can come down a little bit.
Let me put a little note for you to maybe short here.
Me double check.
You're gonna double check it.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, I forgot to short silver. That's what I should have done. Okay, never mind. Anyways,
Okay, time to wrap up. I hope you guys have a good week, and tomorrow, look for FOMC minutes and buy gold if you are interested.
I go from child type.
Do you get commission for that? You should.
No, I don't. I definitely don't. And there's no referral on their website.
Yeah, they should. Yeah, if you want referral, make your own referral code in Sai for everyone
Right.
else who is hearing, and you can get 15%. Is it right now?
I believe so. We have different tiers based on how
Yeah,
much
we have different tiers.
like one of
So
our
the more
traders,
people
he's unlocked the
you get,
highest.
the more. Yeah.
Exactly.
Anyways, take care, guys.
Bye. See ya. See you next week.
Bye.